fellow gamblers. I've hit 10 million rolls early on today, and this is very much a pretty short and unedited inventory reveal video. So I have 10 million rolls and a few more. It took me about 89 days, which is about 2,200 and... No, it's 2,140 hours. So 2,140 hours. I'm playing this game for roughly a year, since Era 5, I'm pretty sure, Era 5 somewhere. And I'm cooking a lot, like my inventory is cooking very, very much. I'm starting off down low with Aquamarine, that is a pretty old era I have in my inventory. Same goes for Glock, everyone was using it in I think Era 8. Siderium, because it's the first hour my friend has ever rolled, ever. He just joined, clicked, and he got this hour. It's his first roll, that's why I'm using it. Quartz, because I think it looks nice, and Comet. It was a pretty nice looking aura before they reworked it, now it sucks. A bunch of Celestials, since I'm trying to craft heavily 2 potions, Kiaterite, and all those mid hours, because, you know, for the collection. Then, starting at 1 in 50 million plus, I got another exotic Apex. Okay, good. Good to know. I do not delete those anymore, but below 1 in 50 million I delete dupes. So to keep my inventory, to keep some space in. So exotic apexes, some of them in heavily 2s, some raw. Then those crap ton of matrix, all those matrixes, I don't delete them, I like them. Twilight Iridescent Memories, time 5, and Sailor Flying Dutchman. 2 of them raw, 1 of them with an Oblivion Potion. Then multiple Chromatic Genesis, all raw, the first 3 of them raw. And then 2 of them with heavily 2 potions yesterday, or more like earlier today in a Glitch Bomb. Then I grabbed a ton of Star Scorch Radiance, which many of them, almost all of them, are from heavily 2 potions, never mind all of them are from heavily 2 potions except like 4. Then 5 Overtures with the Overture Curse. The first Overture I got from a Heavenly 1 potion in a Glitch Biome during the X2 event, where there was a bug that made the Glitch Biome very common. Then 5 more, which are all raw by the way. All of them, except the first one. That was from Heavenly 2. A Symphony that I just got after the Abyssal Hunter I showed soon. Then a bunch of Impeached, which are also all from Heavenly 2 potions. An Archangel from Heavenly 2 potions, another one from an Oblivion potion. 2 Bloodlusts, an Overture History, I don't know why it's in the middle of the Bloodlusts. And 2 more Bloodlusts, which are also from Heavenly 2 potions. Then 1 Atlas from a Glitch Biome, another one from I don't know where I got it, I'm not even sure, but it's from a Heavenly Potion. Abyssal Hunter from Rainy, with a Heavenly Potion. A Gargantua, which was a breakthrough, which I have uploaded to my channel. 2 more Gargantuas from Glitch Biomes. Then a Raw Ruins and Raw Ages. Then I got those stars in a Glitch Biome. I haven't found a Dream Space Biome yet, including the Falls, which are also from a Glitch Biome, obviously. Then I got Glitch, which somebody got from me, a sniper. He used 74 Heavenly 2 potions and 12 Oblivion potions. And during those 12 Oblivion potions, he got me 2 memories in 12 Oblivion potions. And another memory I got for using for using an Oblivion potion for fun. So I got 3 memories and roughly 30 Oblivion potions, which makes me not believe that this is 1 in 100 from an Oblivion potion. In the special inventory I got Blossom Frozen as serial 1202. I got all those event auras obviously from the new event. I got Dolahan from the Glitch Bomb. I got Vital, also from the Glitch Bomb. I got Watermelon, Surfer, which was the event aura, Crest aura from last summer, Moonflower from a Glitch Biome, Frigid, which comes along Blossom, Wonderland, I had this aura, I can't see it anymore. Undefined, Defined, which is April Fool's 2024, Lunar Nightfall, and more winter auras. Then I got Pump, pretty favorite because it's bright and doesn't lag. good for climbing the mountain in dark biomes. Atlas Yuletide, I can't spell that, which I got from the reel, not as a roll from the reel, and Star Rider Starfish. I hope you guys are not this addicted to gambling like I am, and please make something of your life. This is pretty much it for my inventory reel, and here's a clip of me getting 10 million rolls. I used heavily 2 potions to complete that. From my side, good luck, keep on gambling, or maybe not, your choice, and see you in the next video. Bye bye. 10 million, come on, it can't be bad. It's terrible. Rest in peace.